大家加大他想在发强去地球多点，身体准备哪些？他被都感染的地，他们好像。
Yeah, so
Can you bring him over there? Because I'm sleeping again. And this is because you have to do
I want to go, but I want to look at how the
Hold on. We're supposed to go see him, and I guess they said 3:30. Like, go use the other one. And someone comes out.
we might be a little bit late because they're about to do the race thing right now.
I know, that's what I'm saying, but they said at 3:30? Or how long are they going to wait for us? No, they said 3. 3? What? To go to the thing.
It's almost 3 right now. So do you want to tell them that we're running late? Call them, let them know we're maybe between 3:30 and 3:45?
No, maybe I'll tell them to wait to them. He's supposed to be real quick. I think probably because he set the time at 3, he probably do other stuff.